Okay, so we are going to change this, modify with the automatic setup. Here the desktop G5CB9IO with one drive. You see that this management is only one partition, disk 0, partition 1 and partition 4, and the OS in drive C. So with this we will configure all of this, and also you will change the product key as well. So here it says no product key, so we will just plug in this, and this one is for PM1WP10. Okay, so after you plug in, just run this program as admin. I'll wait for a while. So we are going to set this as PM1WP10. Okay, so here you have this configure prerequisite and configure network. For me, I would just configure the network first. First, you need to take out the aspect network tool. Okay, take out. Here you will see this one Ethernet and Ethernet 2. This one, the program will rename this as well. Okay, so configure network AN1. Voila, then it will change the name and the configuration here also. Okay, right, after that you plug in back the AN2. You will see the status unidentified. Oh, here, Ethernet 2 network is connected. Then we will go to configure the network again. So AN1 you cannot press, CN1, CN2 you cannot press, AN2 you can press it. Just press. Hello, boss. I'm making the manual.
Why like this?
After that, okay. After the network done, we configure the prerequisite. Check this if you want to change the product key. This one change to KL time and just start. Proceed. Yes. Then you just wait until it's done. When it's done, you can decide if you want to restart or not. By default it will just proceed. After that, yeah, you can go back and configure the hard disk as well. Change this to E. Change this one is my flash disk. Change to E, and then you partition the disk C. Then it will partition, created a new C drive, and you just change it to D. After that, you're done with the hard disk management, and you just wait for the restart. After restart, you will see that it's complete. Okay, so just restarted. You can log in. Then you will see that computer name has changed, and then local admin is already activated. Here it's activated, and then product key is already changed. Then your hard disk already added D drive. So yeah, that's all.